Good morning, Matthew. How are you doing? I hope you are well and that you have a wonderful day today. We are going to work on IEP goals 1, 2, and 3. So let's begin. So for goal number 1, we are going to continue talking about identifying and writing simile sentence. So just as a review, we're going to go over what is a simile. So we know that a simile is a comparison of two things using the words like or as. And here are some examples. The flower looks like a golden jewel. The tree is as tall as a skyscraper. It is hot as the sun. It is as hot as the sun outside today. And over here to the right, we have more similes that you can use to make your own sentence. So here they're just you have to use or write another thing. So you know how here they're talking about comparing two things. Here it's just one thing. You need to write something else. For example, you can put, my sister is as lazy as a toad. My dog is as big as or you can put, my car is as big as an elephant. My dad is as strong as an ox. I am as old as the hills. My grandma is as slow as snails. I am as hungry as a bear. They're giving you the simile, but you still have to put in one more thing to compare both of the things. But these are similes you can use if one day you need to make sentences. So for today's worksheet, we're going to be doing the one that is has the orange underline around, and it's called Similes Worksheet. So if you please have this worksheet, get it out. For this worksheet, Matthew, we are going to write our own similes. So I will be doing letter A with you as an example, and you will do letter B, C, D, E, and F on your own. So this is the same thing as the chart we were looking at right now. They give you the simile, yet you still it's not a complete simile sentence. You still have to write the other thing that you're comparing this thing to. So it says, as fast as a cheetah. So what is as fast as a cheetah? So we can write, and you can write anything as long as it makes sense. So we can put, my dog is as fast as a cheetah. Or you could have also put, my car is as fast as cheetah, because cheetahs are actually pretty fast, and I think they can run as if you were going on a car, like around 30 miles per hour. They're super fast. So that is what you're going to do, Matthew, for this worksheet. You are just going to compare two things using this simile right here. So the next one is walks like a soldier. So what walks, or who walks like a soldier? As cold as ice. What is as cold as ice? Grow like a weed. What grows like a weed? Which is also, weeds grow really fast, so that can also be another thing. Like if you don't really understand this one, it's trying to tell you that it grows really fast. What grows really fast? As hungry as a bear. Who or what is as hungry as a bear? And as proud as a peacock. Who or what is as proud as a peacock? So that is what you're going to do for this worksheet. Once you are done, we will continue working on goal number 2. So for goal number 2, we are going to continue talking about identifying adjectives in a sentence. So let's go over adjectives again. So adjectives describe a noun and tell us how many there are, what color it is, the size of it, how it behaves, how it looks, how it feels, or how it sounds. And over here to our right, we have an anchor chart that says, how is an adjective like a magnet? Magnets are attracted to magnetic materials, and adjectives are attracted to nouns and pronouns. So every time there's a noun, there's an adjective. Anytime you find an adjective, you will also find a noun or pronoun nearby that the adjective is modifying. There's always going to be an adjective telling you something about that noun. So for example, here it says Reed has a huge dog. What is our noun? The dog. And what about the dog? It's huge. The next one is my sister is shy. Who are they talking about? The sister. What about the sister? She's shy. Math is my favorite subject. So what's the noun? The subject. And what about the subject? It's the favorite. And so on and so forth. And here you have your adjectives and your nouns. And this is going to be the worksheet for today. It is called Adjectives. And you have 1 through 10 questions. So please take out this worksheet. We will be working on it together. So in this worksheet, Matthew, it says, circle the adjective that describes the underlined noun. An adjective describes a noun. The adjective can come before or after the noun it describes. So Matthew number 1 says, the slide was wet when we went outside. So they underlined the noun for us. Now we have to find the adjective. What is describing the slide? The slide was what? Yes, awesome. The slide was wet. This is our adjective. And that is what you are going to do for the rest of the questions. They underlined all the nouns for you. All you are going to do is circle your adjectives. What are they telling you about that noun? So think about it. Like for example, the slide. What about the slide? It was wet. So that is what you're going to do for all of them. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me or Mr. Guzman. If not, once you are done, we will continue with goal number 3. So goal number 3, Matthew, we are going to identify 3D geometric figures. And here are some of the 3D shapes. We know that this is a sphere, that this is a cylinder, a cone, the cube, the rectangular prism, the square pyramid, the triangular prism, and the triangular pyramid. And now for our last goal of the day, we are going to work on this worksheet. It is called 3-dimensional shapes. So please take out this worksheet. So in this worksheet, it says, write the name of each shape. So we know that this is a sphere. A sphere is written here. And this is a cube. And a cube is written here. Then it says, write the name of each shape. Use the words in the word box. So here is our word box. We have sphere, prism, cone, cube, cylinder, and pyramid. And they already done one for us. I will do one more with you. And I am going to do this one right here, since it's a little new. It didn't come out in our last worksheet. And here you're going to use this word box right here to answer this question. So do you know what shape this is? Is this a sphere, a prism, a cone, a cube, a cylinder, or a pyramid? Yes, good job. This is a cylinder. Keep in mind that you might use some of the word box answers several times. So you will not use it just one time. There might be an occasion where you have to use it twice, maybe even 3 times. So we did this one together and this one was given to you. So you will work on the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 on your own. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. We are always here to help. If not, once you are done, do not forget to submit it to Teams. And we will see you here tomorrow for goals 4 and 5. Bye, Matthew.